Bonjour, nous voilà déjà à la deuxième étape de la formation COOPCOM pour la session 2018-2019 sur le thème de l'intégration des réfugiés en Europe. Après une session qui a eu lieu en décembre dernier à Barcelone, en Espagne, nous voilà maintenant à Nice. Nice est une ville connue pour sa promenade des Anglais, la Riviera, mais c'est aussi une ville qui a été un carrefour de migration, une ville proche de l'Italie, et donc qui méritait tout à fait d'accueillir notre session de formation.
Welcome to the second step of the project. We are going to go on developing European projects with the aim of helping refugees, but on the other hand, you will learn to play different roles as a project coordinator, as a youth leader, and as a community manager.
The title is Beyond Language, and Beyond Language refers to the fact that a lot of refugees, when they first come to somewhere like Spain or the Netherlands, they always hear that they should study the language, they should know the language if they want to be...
everything.
Yeah, exactly. And that language is an important part of integration, which it is, but it isn't everything. And to connect with people on a real level, you need to experience a lot of fun and physical activities with them.
I'm gonna make a video, a short video of everything.
So as a reminder, if you want to experiment deep intercultural meeting in a European context,
And to take part in developing European projects,
let's enjoy it together in 2 months.